Thank you everyone for joining us. We are excited to present this webinar titled Transform Finance at Aging Services, Unlocking $500,000 in Annual Savings with AI-driven Automation. I am Shreya, Marketing Specialist at NuAIg, and I will be your host for the webinar today. We are thrilled to have Shraddha, one of our experts and an AI Program Manager at NuAIg. She will walk us through today's discussion. So let's dive in. As senior care is constantly evolving, our team of experts have come up with a webinar series on transforming the aging industry with artificial intelligence to educate leaders on what we have learned in the age of AI. We have already done 6 webinars in the series, and today we are going to talk about finance automation in aging services. You can find the recording of these webinars at our website. At the end of our session, we will open the floor for a Q&A. Please feel free to send your queries throughout the webinar and we'll address them during the segment. So, the agenda for today's discussion, wherein we will be talking about current scenario and challenges in finance department processes and how AI and its constituents are bridging this gap, potential automation use cases, analytical dashboards in finance domain, and benefits of adopting automation across finance processes. So, to give you a brief of who we are and what we do at NuAIg. We at NuAIg empower long-term care providers to deliver value-based care by improving their efficiency through AI-driven technologies. We offer deep domain expertise in creating value for LTPSCs and CCRC by accelerating digital transformation with AI and its constituents like data analytics, RPA, generative AI, and LLM. Below is a glimpse of some of our clients in the LTPSC industry. With our laser-sharp focus and being a leader in AI-driven solutions for aging services, NuAIg has been a part of multiple knowledge-sharing sessions in previous events, roundtables, and workshops to share our knowledge that we have gained working with providers in this industry. This year also, a team of experts have been invited to deliver session and educate senior living leaders on how to identify low-hanging fruits and adopt technology solutions for their communities. These are our technology offerings where we help demystify AI and data for you, transforming the way the clients operate. Our offering includes analytical dashboards, machine learning, and AI-driven RPA bots. Now, without further ado, let's dive into today's discussion. Shraddha, over to you.
Thanks, Shreya. Having extensively worked in the aging industry for quite some time now with a suite of clients, we understand its nuances and focus areas. Through the organizational assessments that we have conducted for our clients across departments and assessing 100 plus processes, we have observed that the finance department is a potentially very important department where AI, RPA, and its constituents can bring about phenomenal transformation. Processes in finance department like accounts payable, accounts receivable, census reporting and reconciliation, monthly statement generation, etc. are typically characterized of having huge volumes, repetitive in nature, requiring lot of manual data entry and extraction, and are mundane and time consuming. These processes involve manual reconciliation of data in disparate systems, which can be tedious. And on top of that, high volume of physical paper forms is involved, making it difficult to keep track of things. With data in different software that do not talk, labor-intensive processes AI can play an important role in helping to tackle these challenges. With the help of AI and its constituents, as listed in the slide, namely data analytics, smart automation, that is RPA, and machine learning and generative AI, transforming finance at aging services can give good benefits in improving efficiency and streamlining the processes. These cutting edge technologies are revolutionizing the ever evolving business landscape and are transforming the way businesses are run. In today's webinar, we will be looking at how AI driven analytics and smart automation, that is RPA, can help transform the finance function. We will be looking at the Gen AI and machine learning part in subsequent series of webinars. I would like to briefly explain what RPA is and how it works. RPA has facilitated digital transformation at many organizations. So what is RPA? RPA, or robotic process automation, are like your virtual assistants that are capable of mimicking human actions. They can perform series of actions and deliver desired output with no human intervention. These bots can read email, respond to emails, log into applications, search and scrape through data, and much more. The best part is these bots are 24/7 available. The best suited processes for RPA automation are the ones which are manual, have high frequency, high volume, and consume significant part of the workforce's time. Finance processes find many applications in RPA. Moving on to AI-driven analytics dashboards, these dashboards help the organization and departments to unify their data and put it to work with accessible and rich insights. Data from different softwares is transformed into meaningful dashboards to give insights into important KPIs. These dashboards help leaderships and departments in making proactive and strategic decision planning. These AI-driven analytical dashboards are will be very beneficial for functions like finance. So our expertise in the discussed AI and its constituents and our deep industry knowledge specific to the aging industry uniquely positions us to provide best advisory and implementation services. With our team of AI and healthcare consultants and engineers, we bring years of experience working specifically with providers to embrace artificial intelligence. Our approach for digital transformation starts with us assessing the current processes and software ecosystem at our client's organization, educating the stakeholder with the usage and adoption of technology. This is followed by devising a roadmap for digital transformation and implementation of the AI solutions. The last part is where we implement these and help in scaling the deployed solutions. Now let's look at some key processes in finance that can be automated using RPA. Vendor invoice processing is a classic use case from the finance department where AI automation can be implemented. The AP vendor invoice processing process involves manual processing of high volumes of invoices that come on a daily basis. It includes verifying the information, routing the invoices for approvals, adding invoice-specific details like GL code, and finally, setting the invoices for payment. RPA can automate all the activities involved in the process, significantly removing manual intervention and freeing the workforce to do more meaningful tasks. Some of the key automations in this process are reading the incoming invoices and extracting information from them with the help of AI models and bots. The AI bot can route the invoice for approvals to defined people and send them emails or messages. Bots can check if the vendors are set up in the system and initiate the setup if they are not. After the approvals are done, the bot can fill in the invoice details in the finance software and finally queue the invoice for processing. With the help of RPA, the process can be completely automated and it can be done devoid of any physical paper forms or manual processing. Let us look at the accounts payable process at one of the organizations. So this is the as-is process flow, and this is the level of detailed mapping of the process that is created during the assessment, where we capture all the minute details. This is the proposed to-be process flow of the same AP process. Parts of the process to be automated are highlighted along with any process reengineering opportunities. This shows that it is how the process will look post-automation, and this forms a base for solution design. Similar type of mapping is done for all the processes across finance functions. Another way through which we have seen our clients being benefited immensely is by building custom and insight-rich dashboards for the finance function. These dashboards are enriched with real-time data for all key KPIs that give a real-time picture of the metrics and aid in strategic decision making. I will explain it to you with the help of a dashboard that we have created to track the accounts payable process. Here, you can see all the key metrics for the AP process being displayed with latest data on the dashboard. Our expertise lies in breaking down data silos, utilizing robotic process automation to efficiently extract data from various sources, and delivering accessible and insight-rich dashboards. The key benefits of these dashboards in the finance function are the team gets real-time data, they get data and data-backed insights, transparency, improved proactive strategic planning, and laser-sharp focused KPIs. Through implementation of automation and analytical capabilities, this is how one of our clients were able to save around 6,000 hours for 3 key processes in the finance department. AI automation can be implemented for many other processes in finance like accounts receivable, statement generation, reconciliation, payroll-based journal, etc., and also across varied functions as shown. Through this, the organizations can see benefits like improved productivity, reduction in turnaround time by 95%, better FTE utilization, reduced physical paperwork, improved decision making, reduced workload, 24/7 availability and 100% accuracy, reduced usage of paper forms, vendor satisfaction, and faster approvals. Our clients have given testimonial about how our deep industry knowledge and technical expertise, along with the support, sets NuAIg apart and facilitates the organizations to optimize and automate and unlock the potential savings across departments. The one above here is from Travis Glenick, who is currently the VP of Innovations and CIO at United Methodist Communities, New Jersey. There are many more which you can find on our NuAIg website. With this, we have reached at the end of the session. Hope that the session was insightful. We will be uploading the recording of this webinar on our website, and you can view and share it with the team members. Also, you can book a knowledge sharing workshop with us where we can explore and educate your team on automation and digital transformation through our COE model. Now we will open the floor for Q&A, and please feel free to drop your queries now. So I will take up a question that we have received. The question is, do these bots work with specific finance softwares only and do only certain processes, or they can work with all? So these bots, these RPA bots, these are highly customizable and they will work as per the defined logic. So as long as we are able to define the steps for the bot to follow, each process can be automated, and these bots can work with multiple softwares as well. Okay, so what all changes do our workforce have to bring in to their daily life post the implementation? So to answer this question, the only positive change would be AI-enabled process transformation that they can gradually adopt and bear its benefit. There is not any major change that can hinder the daily tasks. And apart from that, we help in educating the stakeholders so that they are equipped to reap the benefits of the automations. So thank you everyone for attending the webinar. Have a good day.